Imagine turning your favorite memories into a beautiful, high-quality hardcover photo book without needing expensive printing equipment to do so. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create and sell your own hardcover photo book with the help of Gelato. So let's get started. Whether you're making a wedding album, baby book, travel scrapbook, or custom gift, this tutorial will walk you through everything from choosing your design, adding photos, setting up your Etsy listing, and getting your book printed and shipped with the help of Gelato. By the end of this book, you'll have your first hardcover book ready to sell or order for yourself. So grab your laptop and let's get started. First things first. Why use Gelato for print-on-demand photo books? My top 5 reasons why Gelato is my go-to print-on-demand supplier, especially for high-quality products like photo books and wall art. Number 1, Gelato offers professional quality. Now, when it comes to photo books, they offer premium printing, vibrant colors, and durable hardcover binding. Best part, you don't need any inventory. Books are printed on demand, so you don't need to have a huge supply of them. And with photo books or wedding albums or baby books, this is a completely customizable product, meaning you can put a very high price on this product. Number 3, Gelato offers fast global shipping, so my customers worldwide get their book orders quickly. All products on Gelato, these photo books especially, are super easy to customize. Gelato's drag and drop tools make it super simple even to create customized, personalized products like this. And lastly, products like this are perfect for Etsy sellers. Etsy has become such a large gift giving and receiving platform that offering customized products like this is definitely going to become a bestseller on Etsy. But now that you know a little why I think Gelato is the best place for you to create products like this, let's start designing our first photo book. If you haven't already though, head over to gelato.com and create your free new account. Once you log in, this is your dashboard where you'll manage your store, create products, and track orders. Let's jump right in and create our first hardcover photo book. Gelato offers multiple sizes and formats when it comes to their photo books. But today I'm going with the 8x8 inch hardcover photo book, a popular size that's great for keepsakes and gifts. Now let's customize the cover and add some pages. Now it's time to upload your photos. Simply drag and drop them into Gelato's editor, and then you can arrange them in collages, full page layouts, or grid styles. For the cover, I like to use a bold title and a full width image, something that really stands out. Pro tip, I would definitely recommend using high quality photos to make sure that your images and the printing really pops. To make your book more personal, you can add captions, dates, or even special quotes on each page. Gelato's editor lets you adjust fonts, colors, and layout to help match your book's theme. When it comes to designing your photo book, I would definitely stick with a specific niche and then a design aesthetic within that niche. Take your time with this step. A well-designed book is going to look more professional and increase value, especially if you're selling it on places like Etsy. And once you're happy with your design, you can click through and preview your book before you publish it. I would definitely also recommend ordering a sample before you publish it to order on Etsy, just because I feel like having a physical sample in hand, you're able to see maybe any printing mistakes that you might have made, or spelling errors, or just like a physical, tangible thing to hold so you can see the quality and how it was shipped to you, and also the sizing. So ordering a sample just gives you more of a customer experience. I definitely recommend it, especially to clients that if they are going to open up a shop and this is one of their first products that they're launching, to have a sample to make sure that what they are selling isn't going to have any mistakes or just feel icky and be like cheap quality or show up shipped in a poly bag all dented and broken. Like, you want to make sure that what you're selling, you would buy it and feel comfortable charging your customers a retail price that reflects that high quality and fast shipping. Once you're happy with your design, you can preview it, and then you're going to add your title, description, and tags. I recommend doing a little bit of SEO research so you can figure out what keywords your customers are searching for, and then use those keywords again in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Having a physical sample in hand is always a good idea, especially when it comes to mock-ups. Luckily, with Gelato, you're able to get 50% off your first sample order when you create your new Gelato account. After the title, description, and tags look good, we're going to head to pricing. Now let's set the price. Gelato gives you the base cost and you decide your markup. I recommend a 50 to 70% profit margin, especially on customized products like this. There is going to be a lot of time and designing that goes into products like this. It requires a decent price tag. Set your pricing, review everything, and then you're ready to publish. And just like that, your book is ready to order or sell on your Etsy shop. Now you know exactly how to create and sell stunning hardcover photo books with Gelato. If this was helpful to you, please hit that like button. I'd love for you to subscribe and follow along for more helpful print-on-demand tips and tutorials. And if you want my free print-on-demand starter kit to help you find your niche, your products, and get your first designs going in just 4 weeks, I have it linked for you down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you later, Rebel.